Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best carpet cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Hoover Carpet Cleaner. Hoover Paws and Claws Carpet Cleaning Formula with Staingard Technology tackles tough pet stains, neutralizes pet odors and defends against those inevitable future stains. The Staingard technology helps your carpets stay cleaner for longer by preventing future stains for a home that feels clean and smells fresh. Its deep enzymatic cleaning ingredients not only deodorizes your carpets but also breaks down and removes the worst types of pet messes, while continuing to work even after you've finished cleaning. The preventative Staingard technology and enzymatic cleaning ingredients make cleaning up after your furry friends a breeze. At number 6 we have Bissell Carpet Cleaner. Bissell Pro Max Clean Plus Protect Deep Carpet Cleaning Formula is proven unbeatable against all leading formulas with 4x more active ingredients than most other formulas. The deep cleaning formula gives a professional-grade clean that is also environmentally responsible and kid and pet friendly. Plus the added benefit of Scotchgard stain protection safeguards carpets. Bissell Pro Max Clean Plus Protect Deep Cleaning Formula maximizes the performance of all leading upright deep cleaning machines including rentals. At number 5 we have Chemical Carpet Cleaner. The Fabric Clean will break down and remove stubborn stains from any indoor/outdoor fabric upholstery or carpet safely and completely. It is formulated with the most advanced cleaners and protectants. The Fabric Clean combines a superior biodegradable degreaser with an enzymatic odor eliminator for immediate odor control and long-lasting deep cleaning benefits of biotechnology. This naturally occurring microbes in Fabric Clean degrade the organic compounds that cause odor, eradicating them completely, leaving behind a fresh scent. There are no chemicals, ammonia, bleach, color-damaging detergents or solvents. This biodegradable formula removes oil, grease, dirt, coffee, tea, wine, juice and pet stains from any water-safe indoor or outdoor fabric. Fabric Clean removes stains fast and restores fabric, carpet and upholstery to a like-new condition. At number 4 we have Resolve Carpet Cleaner. The Resolve Carpet Spot and Stain Remover is specially formulated to penetrate deep, break down and lift out all types of tough stains and odors from carpets and rugs. It permanently removes the toughest and set-in stains for newer-looking carpets. The Resolve Spot and Stain is the #1 carpet stain remover. It helps keep stains from reappearing, works on a wide variety of everyday stains and leaves your carpet soft and fresh smelling. At number 3 we have Armor Carpet Cleaner. Your car's carpet and upholstery take a serious beating from stains and ground and dirt. The Oxy Magic Cleaner brings fabric back to life, restoring its plush and luxurious beauty. The breakthrough in cleaning technology, it uses oxygen action to power through the most stubborn stains and begins dissolving them on contact. At number 2 we have Chemical Carpet Cleaner. The oxygen-infused cleaners of Fabric Clean lift and separate dirt particles and stains from deep within fabric in carpets and upholstery. The foaming action floats the particles directly to the surface of the material for easy cleanup with just a microfiber towel or hot water extractor. While low-grade cleaners leave carpets feeling wet, promote mildew growth and finish with a stiff, crusty feeling. The Fabric Clean is detergent-free, low moisture and finishes with the soft feel of clean fabric. At number 1 we have BioClean Carpet Cleaner. BioClean Carpet and Rug Shampoo is safe on all washable fibers and is gentle on backings and pads. It is safe for most types of surfaces, cleans and rinses effectively with hot or cold water, and leaves no harsh residues or fumes behind. The professional cleaning power without the use of chemicals that leave harsh residues and fumes. Also, extracts of citrus, grapefruit seed and plant-based surfactants clean tough stains and odors trapped on and in your carpet. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best carpet cleaners for your need.